All the fun of the circus in a wonderful show. Singers and clowns, magic and animals too.
When you hear the magic bands, the time you meet my gallery friends. Roll up, time to see the show. All the fun of the circus in a wonderful show. Singers and clowns, magic and animals too. Dance here, tell your friends that it's true. Come here again. Roll up, time to see the show. Roll up, time to see the show.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the Hasi Castola Theatre.
We are happy to present our show. We have an orchestra, magicians, clowns and dancers.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I ask you to welcome our fantastic orchestra. Please give them a big hand.
Oh, we can play on the rainbow there, and this is the way we do it. And that's the way we do it. Oh, we can play on the cheese too, and this is the way we do it. And that's the way we do it. Oh, we can play on the piano, and this is the way we do it. And that's the way we do it. Oh, we can play on the violin, and this is the way we do it. And that's the way we do it. Oh, we can play on the guitar, and this is the way we do it. And that's the way we do it. Oh, we can play on the accordion, and this is the way we do it. And that's the way we do it. Oh, we can play on the flute, and this is the way we do it. And that's the way we do it. Oh, we can play on the cello, and this is the way we do it. And that's the way we do it.
Today we are happy to present our famous magicians in the world. First, Aitor and his lost and found trick.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now for my trick. I have a pack of cards, an enormous pack of cards, and 3 jacks. I need a one volunteer. What is your name?
Her name is Isidro.
Thank you, Sid. Now put 1 jack in the bottom of the top. In the middle. And in the top. Counted. Now cut the deck. 1. Abacadabra. No. No. Hmm? Yes. No. Yes. The 3 jacks is there.
disappearing coin trick. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now for my trick. Here I have a coin and an ordinary glass. I'm going to make the coin disappear. First, I put the coin on the paper. I put it. Then I put my magic cloth over the glass. And then I say my magic words. Abracadabra, abracabuni. Where is the missing money? Now I'm going to make it reappear with the magic words. Abracadabra, abracabuni. The missing money is before in your eyes. Incredible! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I ask you to welcome to the funniest clowns in the city. A big hand, please, for Moco, Miriam, Chilviton, and the strongest clown show. I am the strongest clown in the world. Look, I am living 20 kilos.
Don't be silly, I am as strong like you are.
Oh no, you are not.
Oh yes I am.
Oh no, you are
Oh
not.
yes I am.
Oh no, you are not.
Oh yes I am, and I can show you. Look, I carry 100 kilos, and now with only one hand.
Stupid. Stupid boy, how will you show me now?
Let's have a competition at 5.
What kind of with this wall?
No, see, with the spoon, put the spoon in your mouth and hit me on the head.
Hit you on the head? Great.
Now with my turn, I put the spoon in my mouth and 1, 2, 3.
Ah! You are the strongest clown.
Yes, I am the strong clown in the world.
Thank you. Now Under and Seeker and the Giant Cars trick.
Boys and girls, now for our trick, we need one volunteer. Is there a volunteer? Come on. Yes, you. Don't worry, it's very easy. Don't worry, it's very easy. What's your name?
I don't speak English.
What's your name?
Edurne.
Well, Edurne, look at this. Here we have some big cats. Now I'm going to go out. You are going to choose one cat, and when I come back, I will guess which the cat Now I'm going to go. No. Are you ready?
Yes.
Choose one. And touch it. Okay. Ticket, come on. Now tell us what card is worse. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, or this one? Let me concentrate. Yes, this one. I think it was this one. Amazing. Now Álvaro cut the card tree.
Vale, es una forma bañando las chiquitas a estar en arriba.
Do you see this small card? Do you think I can pass
this card? No. Wait, see that. First, I fold the card in a half. Then, I cut here. Can you help me counting? 1, I make small cuts here in the middle. Then I open it and I put over my head.
Incredible! Now Yunan and Torreclos are going to do a trick. What trick of this trick is going to be? Let's see the silly magic trick show. Would you like the silly magic trick?
Hello, Yunan. What do you want to see a magic trick?
Yes, of course.
Here I have a small plate, a coin, and a handkerchief.
What do you go to do?
I'm going to put the handkerchief on the plate and the coin on the floor.
Put the plate in the handkerchief and a coin in the floor. Okay, and next?
This is the most important part of the trick. Now fold the handkerchief tightly, very tightly.
Like this.
Very good. Now stand on the coin 3 times.
1, 2, and 3.
Ha ha ha! What a lovely motorbike you have!
I'm going to get you.
Ha ha ha! Funny clowns. Let's continue with Nerea at her 2-card trick. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now for my trick. Here I have a pack of cards. I need a volunteer. You, please. Okay. Here you are, these 2 cards. And now this is the pack with the 2 cards. Okay, and now I'm going to know the cards. Abracadabra, tap, tap, tap. Here is the magic card. Wow, thank you, Nerea. Now Ariane and her magic ribbon tree. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now for my trick. Here I have a envelope, a ribbon, a magic scissors. Now I'm going to stick this to now I'm going to cut the scissors. Now I'm going to put the ribbon Now I am going to cut.
Amazing! Let's welcome Ari and Sister Cars 3.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now for my trick I need 16 cars. With the 16 cars I'm going to do 4 moves. Now I'm going to cut the 4 moves. Now I'm going to put the 4 roof with the beginning with my eyes closed. It's my-
Well done, Ari. Do you want to see more clowns? Let's welcome Coco and Jolly at their Simon Says show.
How are you?
Hello, how are you?
Jolly, look at this. It's a squam.
Hello, how are you?
Jolly, come here.
Hello, how are you? Jolly, come here! Jolly, come here!
Very funny.
Very funny.
Stop it. Do you want to play?
Yes, of course.
Let's play Simon Says. Simon Says, sit down.
Okay.
Come on, Jolly, sit down properly.
Sorry, Coco.
Simon Says, touch your ear.
Here.
Simon Says, stand up. Simon Says, dance. Simon Says, sit down.
Come here, Coco, I got you! Silly clown, I got you!
Thank you, Coco and Jolly. Now narran her card trick.
Ay, sí, que está la Claudia.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now for my trick. Here I have a pack of cards. Not an ordinary one, an enormous pack of cards. Now I'm going to take one card. Have you seen the card? Yes. Now I'm going to put of the top of the pack. Now I'm going to put of the bottom of the pack. And now I need magic words. Abracadabra. Tap, tap, tap. Card. Come back to the top of the pack. Was this the card? Incredible! Let's continue with the Luna Nirante and the magnificent Charles trick. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now our trick. I need 3 chairs and a volunteer to do this. Me! Okay, here I have 3 chairs and I need a volunteer.
Dile que va.
What's your name?
My name is
Now my battery is going to be milling off my gift at the start. I can see a milling trophy. Okay, here I have 3 chairs. Number 1 chair, number 2 chair, and number 3 chairs. You have to sit in 1 chair. Okay, Anita Che have 2 weeks in one chair. You are sitting.
Silent, please. I need to concentrate.
Come on, you can do it.
You are sitting in the chair number 2.
Yes.
It's magic.
Let's welcome the last magician of our show, Idoia and her 3 piles of card trick. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now for my trick. Here I have an ordinary pack of cards. Now I'm going to take 21 cards. Okay, now I need a volunteer. You. Okay, you have to take 1 card. So to the audience. And now you have to put. Okay, you have to say in what field is it. The second time. Okay. And the last time. Now I'm going to tell you what is the card. This is the card. Thank you, Idoia. Are you ready to welcome more funny clowns? Madame, Sarah, and Jane, under the washer cleaner shoe for you.
Good afternoon, madam.
Do you know the new washer cleaner?
No, I don't.
Would you like to try it? Do you have any dirty clothes?
My hair is very dirty. It will not clean it, please.
Oh, yes, it will.
Oh, not at once.
Oh, yes, it will.
Oh, not at once.
Shall I give you a demonstration?
Yes, please. Jenny, come here. Yes, ma'am. Take a photo. Here you are.
Let's put in the machine and then wash off and wait for a few minutes. Clean. Hey, Pesto, your shirt is clean.
Woo! That is not my shirt.
No, this one is much better.
Come here.
Ha ha ha. And now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are very happy to present our sensational dancer. Let's hear a big hand.
Alejamos la cámara. Suelta la cámara.
Yeah!
বুঝতে পারছি ধন্যবাদ। Sí, ahora casi no. Esto está grabando.
I'm singing in the show, just dancing in the show. What a wonderful feeling, I don't want to go.